Geopandas known intersection returns false. I have two sets of multi-polygons. I want to select one polygon from one dataset by using the matplotlib click event, which works, and then select all polygons from the second dataset that intersect with it. When I plot the datasets, they clearly overlap, see below. But my intersection always returns false. The datasets look like this. I select one of the red polygons using a click event, which I have simulated here. This returns. But when I try intersecting with my second dataset, black boxes like this. This returns false for all records of dataset 2, but shouldn't at least one of them be true? I do get the warning. But I don't know if this is causing this. I'm effectively trying to intersect a DF with one row with another DF with lots of rows to end up with intersecting polygons only. Am I missing something?
You do not select one polygon, but one row of the geodata frame. Therefore, you are using an intersects on a series, not a polygon. As shown in the documentation, Geopandas aligns those series and do row-wise one-to-one operation. You need to pass a shapely.geometry if you want to check all rows against a single geometry.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.